Hi students, in this video clearly explained the problems 6, 7, 8 and 9 of exercise 2.5 of class 8 from AP and Telangana state boards. Hi, this is Madhubabu. Let us see the problem 6. In class of 40 pupils, the number of girls is 3/5 of the number of boys. Find the number of boys in this class. So problem 6. Total number of students in the class are 40. Compared girls with boys. How many girls are there? 3/5 of the number of boys. Here the number of boys also we don't know. So let the number of boys in the class, that is equals to x. The total number of students, that is 40. So then the number of girls, the class, that is equals to 40 minus x. But here the given condition is given that the number of girls is equals to 3/5 of the number of boys, that means 3/5 of x. So by given data, number of boys consider as x and number of girls is, that is 3/5 of boys, that is equals to total number of students 40. So do LCM here, take by 1. The LCM of 1 and 5 is 5. 1, the denominator 1 in this 5 times cancel. 5 into x, 5x, plus in this second fraction denominator 5, in the LCM 5, 1 time will cancel. 1 into 3x, that is 3x, is equals to 40. It implies 5x plus 3x is equals to 8x. Send this denominator 5 that side, it will multiply 40 into 5. So don't multiply it, keep like this only. Now we have to find the x value, so send 8 that side, it will divide 40 into 5. So 40 into 5 by 8. So 8 table in 40, 5 times will cancel, that is equals to x is equals to 5 is 25. So x means number of boys, therefore the number of boys class, that is equals to 25. Verification. Number of boys x, that is 25, plus number of girls is 3/5 of x, that is 3/5 of number of boys, that is 25. We should get 40. 5 in 25, 5 times. So 25 plus 3 5 is 15, that is equals to 40. Here 40 is equals to 40, hence verified. Next problem is 7, that is after 15 years Mary's age will be 4 times of her present age. Find her present age. This is very easy problem. Let the present age of Mary, that is equals to x years. Then after 15 years Mary's age is equals to what will be, that is x plus 15 years. But by given data, after 15 years Mary's age will be 4 times of her present age. So after 15 years Mary's age will be x plus 15 years, that is equals to, by given data it will be 4 times of her present age. 4 times means 4 into her present age is x. So this is the given data. So x plus 15 is equals to 4 into x 4x. Then send x that side. 15 is equals to 4x minus x. 15 is equals to, that is 3x, 4x minus x. Send 3 this side, it will divide 15. So 15 by 3 is equals to x. 3 in 15, 5 times cancel. Therefore x is equals to 5. Therefore the present age of Mary is equals to 5 years. Verification. After 15 years, Mary's age will be 5 plus 15 is equals to 4 times of her present age, that is 4 into 5. We will check it. 5 plus 15, that is 20. 4 5s 20. So hence verified. Next, problem 8. Arvind has a kiddie bank. It is full of 1 rupee and 50 paise coins. It contains 3 times as many as 50 paise coins as 1 rupee coins. So the total amount of money in the bank is rupees 35. How many coins of each kind of are there in the bank? Solution. It is full of 1 rupees and 50 paise coins. In the kiddie bank only 1 rupees coins and 50 paise coins are there. It contains 3 times as many 50 coins as 1 rupee coins. Let the number of rupees 1 coins, that is equals to x. Then the amount of Ru1 coins. With 1 rupee coins, the total amount will be rupees 1 into x, that is equals to rupees x. And given that the number of 50 paise coins, 50 paise means rupees 1 by 2, half rupee, consider this one, coins, that is equals to 3 times of 1 rupees coins, that is 3x. Then the amount of 50 paise coins means rupees half coins, with rupees half coin, 50 paise coins, that is equals to rupees half rupee into 3 times of x, that is equals to rupees 3x by 2. In the total amount, in the kiddie bank, that is rupees 35. So by given data, the amount of 1 rupee coins is rupees x plus the amount of 50 paise coins is 3x by 2, and the total amount is 35 rupees. So this is the equation. Simplify it. Do LCM by 1, take 1. The LCM of 1 and 2 is 2. This denominator 1 into LCM 2 times will cancel. 2 into this x, that is 2x. Plus in the second fraction, the denominator is 2. The denominator 2 in LCM 2, one time will cancel. 1 into 3x, 3x. That is equals to 35. And add these 2 terms. 2x plus 3x is equals to 5x. Now send denominator to right hand side, it will multiply. So 35 into 2, don't multiply it, just send 5 to right hand side, it will divide. So 35 into 2 by 5. So cancel it. 5 table in 5 one time, in 35 7 times. So x is equals to, that is 7 2s are 14. and find 3x also. 3x is equals to 3 into 14, that is 42. In the kiddie bank, the number of 1 rupee coins are, that is equals to x. Total number of coins 14, and the number of 50 paise coins, that is equals to 3x, that is equals to 42. Let us verify the amount. Total 1 rupee coins are 14, so 14 into 1 rupee, the amount, plus total number of 50 coins, that is 50 paise coins means rupees 1 by 2, into total coins are 42. Total amount is given 35. So 14 coins with 1 rupee. So total amount of 1 rupee coins are rupees 14, plus half rupee, that means 50 paise coins, total 42. So 50 paise coins 42. So total amount of 50 coins is 21 rupees, that is equals to 35. So rupees 14 plus rupees 21, that is 35. Rupees 35 is equals to rupees 35. So hence verified. Next problem is 9. This is very important problem. A and B together can finish a piece of work in 12 days. If A alone can finish the same work in 20 days, in how many days B alone can finish it? A and B together can finish the piece of work in 12 days, and A alone can finish the same work in 20 days. First you take A alone. So the time taken by A alone can finish the work. That is given, that is 20 days is given condition. Now take, if a person can finish the work in 2 days, then how much work can finish in 1 day? That is half work. So like that, take in 1 day work, the work done in 1 day in A alone, that is equals to total days 20 days. A can finish the work in 20 days. So A alone, the work done in 1 day is, that is 1 by 20. 1 by 20th work he will complete in 1 day. Take like that, then you will get answer easily. Next come to the B person. Let B is not given, so let the time taken by B alone can finish the work, that is equals to x days. We don't know, so let x days. Then take the work done in 1 day by B alone. So then the work done in 1 day by B alone, that is 1 by x part. Total days taken x days. So 1 day, every day he will finish each day 1 by x part. Then in x days he will complete the same work. And given that A and B together can finish a piece of work in 12 days. So the time taken by A and B together to finish the work, that is equals to 12 days. So compare in 1 day, the work done in 1 day by A and B together, done in 1 day by A and B together, that is 1 by 12 work they will complete 1 by 12. So by given data, with 1 day works. A finished the work done in 1 day is, that is 1 by 20. 1 by 20. So this is the work done by A alone in 1 day, plus the work done in 1 day by B alone, that is 1 by X. 1 by X. Together, A and B together, the work done in 1 day, that is equals to 1 by 12. 1 by 12. So A and B alone, they will complete this part of work in 1 day. Together they will complete 1 by 12. So this is the given data. Simplify it. Send 1 by 20 that side. Then 1 by X is equals to 1 by 12 minus 1 by 20. 1 by 20. Now do LCM of 12 and 20. 2 table 6 times, 10 times. 2 in 6 3 times, 5 times. 3 and 5 are here co-primes. So multiply the values. LCM of 12 and 20 are 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 5s are 60. So 1 by X is equals to, that is LCM is 60. 12 in 60, 5 times will cancel. 5 into 1, that is 5, minus, in the second fraction denominator 20, in LCM 60, 3 times will cancel. 3 into this numerator 1, 3 into 1 3. So 1 by X is equals to, 1 by X is equals to 5 minus 3, that is 2 by 60. 2 in 2, 1 time will cancel. In 60, 30 times will cancel. So 1 by X is equals to 1 by 30. 1 by X is equals to 1 by 30. So 1 cancel, that implies X is equals to 30. So the time taken by B alone to finish the work, that is equals to 30 days. Only B person can finish the work in same work in 30 days. This is the 9th problem. If you like this video, please like it and share it to your classmates and friends, and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.